back to when you were writing that song and bring you to the present when you're seeing like a little girl on her dad's shoulders going like this. Do you see that today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Powerful. I saw her do something incredible during Fatima as well, where she was, the song Fatima, she was singing all the words, you know, and like I wrote about a childhood story of a childhood friend, and there's a little girl like singing back to me my words, you know, and just the effect that Waving Flag has on people around the world when we play. And
she knew the lyrics to that too.
knew the lyrics to all
When
that.
I Get Older, I mean, it was perfect for her to be singing that.
Yeah.
Take me back to when you wrote that, came up with
I
that
was, in fact, I remember walking around New York City in Manhattan, and I was headed. I was actually had started a session in Sony Studios, which got teared down, I think now. It used to be over there in Manhattan, and so I was in this room, and I came up with this melody, and the words weren't there yet, but that feeling was there. So it was such a feeling I had to take a walk. So I left the confined space and went into Manhattan and walked, and then the words came. Went back into the studio, my manager was there, and he said, "Man, you feel kind of hungry, I'll get you some food." He left, and the 20 minutes he went to go get food, the song was done. I will be stronger, they'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. On to a throne, stronger than Rome, more violent prone, poor people's zone, but it's my home, all I have known. Like when I set out to play music for people, I was frightened at first, because the thing that I never ever wanted to be was a mediocre person in any way, part of my life. A mediocre recording artist, a mediocre person on stage. I didn't know what I was going to be able to do, and so when I started to see that, the profound way that the music was touching people when I played live, I made it a mandate of mine, and everyone who works with me, that as much as possible, that is how I want people to find out about me, and not through like an ad or something, you know. And it's very difficult because you know, there's a lot going on. I'm on TV and whatever, but a lot of my concerts is trying to get to people before they get to me. Like a waving flag, and then it goes back, and then it goes back.